Hi there. In the newer versions of QGIS, I think what I'm going to show you is from 3.26 onwards. I think yeah, you'd have to double check, but you should try and get to the latest version, or it's certainly one before. I'm on 328 here, and what I wanted to show you is just something you can do with thematics. If I go to Properties and go to Symbology, and let's set a sort of graduated color. Let's use height, which is just neither here nor there. It's just a value I randomly created. I've hit classified and added them all. Let's press OK, and now I've got a sort of pretty map based on height. So the redder is the higher buildings. But that's the point. Which buildings are the higher buildings based on this thematic? Well, what you can now do is on 40 to 50, for example, is right click on the color. And when you right click, you'll see select features and show in attribute table. So if I do select features, see how now all those from the 40-50 group are all highlighted on the map. What about the 0 to 10 group? Select features. Those yellow ones are now these sort of bright yellow ones, that's the selection color, are the ones in the 0 to 10 group. But what about 30 to 40s? But let's show them in an attribute table. So these are all the 30 to 40s. This 30 to 40 meters. It's a made-up height, like I said. It's random data. This is an attribute table comprising only of those ones that fit within that classification. So you can see at the top here the total features of 3,450, and selected is 878, and you can see what the expression is down here. Height is greater than or equal to 30, and height is less than or equal to 40. So it's that one. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that in case you'd missed it. It's a really nice feature. Thanks.